Hey there, I just wanted to go over this nice pen that I found online. I found it on Amazon. It's a nice multi-function pen. Um, you can write with it. You can use the stylus pen on it for your phone, your tablet. Works great. Doesn't fall off. What's neat about this is that it has a ruler. It has a level. So if you want to level something or see if something's level real quick, you can lay this on top. You want to measure something small, maybe see how big something is. You can always measure it, something small. And what's neat about it, it has a Phillips head with a flat head. Pretty neat. It screws back on. And it does write really nice.